Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we are going to explore some product designs which will enable us to understand design registration better. 7 ingenious metal designs that stand out from the crowd. These product designs are made from stainless steel, aluminium and chrome finished metal. The first one is Derlotte's Fera ball was created by designer Alexander Lottestein with a slanted profile that presents its contents at an angle. The ball can be used for both food presentation and household items such as keys and comes in white, gold or silver. Second is Scandinavian Studio No designed a versatile trolley for furniture company and tradition that can be used in both domestic and hospitality environments. The functional Alima trolley has one perforated and one barred shelf for storage and sits on casters. Finishes include chrome with oak or walnut wood segments that balance the industrial with the natural. Third is a Ukrainian furniture brand Fern Object designed an elegant table made entirely from stainless steel that includes 3 circular tabletops supported by 3 uprights connected by horizontal bars. Liquid Tables tabletops have a mottled, 3-dimensional finish that recalls the rippling surface of water in contrast to the smooth orbs that create its feet. Fourth one is Shanghai-based Studio Tongki Lu design created a mood light that mimics the shape of a lemon sitting on a plate. The aptly named citron lamp comprises a wax-cast light with a textural surface sat on a metal dish that contrasts the light's organic form and bounces light around the space. Fifth design is British brand Vado worked with Conran and partners on a series of bulbous faucets and taps with a hand-polished chrome finish. A Rondi tap collection contains faucets with both separate and integrated levers and controls that come in both crosshead and straight handles that share the same gleaming finish. On the list is the sixth, which is a kitchen and bathroom design brand Folper created a series of kitchen islands specifically designed for small spaces that integrate multiple functions into one self-contained item. The islands in the small living kitchens collection comes in 3 finish options including stainless steel, which recalls the hygiene and functionalism of restaurant kitchens. Last one but not the least is a design of self-contained kitchens featuring drawer fronts with ridges that bounce light around the room. This is created by architect Jean Nouvel in collaboration with Copenhagen-based kitchen brand Reform. All metal reflect kitchen come into finishes including one characterized by untreated metal with stainless steel countertops. That's all in this video. We'll be back with more awesome designs in the next video.